is Moj Moj, and today I have a whole collection, and we're going to try to open more.
Of Moj Moj!
Yes! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's see who we get. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I'm going to peel this off.
There you go. Ooh. Oh, and I need the checklist, don't I? Or I have one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is super fun. Oh,
Yes, Oh, guys, see what you get. Let me know if you need any help. What'd you get? The unicorn. Did you get the unicorn? Oh, wow, that was new.
yes, guys, look.
Look at that one, guys. Isn't that cute?
And they have
Aw.
sparkles right here.
You got the Star Beans collection.
Star beans.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cute.
let's see her little house.
Ooh.
Her little house is right here.
Wow. Guys, let us know which one's your favorite, okay? They are so cute.
Okay, that looks like the beach. Is that the beach?
It might be.
Oh, it is at the beach.
It is? Let's see.
Yes.
Wow, look guys, that's so awesome.
This is how you put it. So this thing goes right. The sky
No, I
goes
think
right
it goes all the way,
here.
isn't it?
This little line right here. The sky goes up here. I'm trying to do it, and then there's a little thing that you put aside after the topping, and then there's a little thing that you can pick out.
Oh, that's nice.
A little ball. This sun says thank you.
Ooh, nice. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cute?
You
Wow.
can store them, and you can put them back in the box.
Wow. So that's how you do it, guys, okay?
Yes.
All right, let's open up the rest of them.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is really
That
fun.
looks so much cool.
Yes. Oh,
Oh, they're all amazing. So we have
Yes.
to see, just hope they're all different, okay?
let's just unwrap this side. Okay, I think this side is more easier. And you guys know what to do. So let's start open this. Okay. This one doesn't have any ears.
Ooh, let's see what it is. That's weird, they all have ears.
I guess this one has ears.
Is it the unicorn? Is it the unicorn?
No.
Who is it? The same one. Ooh, that was new.
This belongs to this one.
Nice. Which one is that one? I'll let you know. That one's so different.
And here's the
Oh,
chocolate
okay.
right
He's
here.
from the Softies collection.
Softies.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys. Let's open some more. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe it.
Oh, let's see who you get.
Okay. Wait. Peel off.
You got this, Maya. You
Peel
got
off.
this. Mine.
This one's that side. Yeah, the other side. Just gotta take this off.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh, this blue. And here's the houses. Well, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open it. I can't believe it.
You got the same one.
Twins.
Well, let's see. Let's see. That one's
Twins,
cute.
guys.
That one's so cute. That one's darker though.
Yeah.
Have you noticed that one's darker?
Wait. This one's lighter. Wait, compared. Yeah.
that?
This one has a
I think
white
it's from
tail.
that one. Wait, I think it's from that other pink one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because this one has the lightning. Remember? It has the lightning in the eye. I think it's the other one, that other pink one.
Oh yeah.
That's cute. Alright, let's see who else we
have
get.
like some of these. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe we got, oh my gosh. My gosh. This is gonna be so cool.
Ooh, you got a little pinkish, reddish.
Oh
a
my
little
gosh.
rose color.
Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please tell me this is a new one. This white. This definitely white.
It's probably the little cow.
No. It's
No?
definitely white.
Ooh, let's see white one.
Okay.
Oh, I think you probably got a bunny. Is it? Is it the panda? Is it? What is it? Oh, it's the bunny! You got the bunny!
Bunny.
From the Softies! Yay! You guys know what to do with the boxes. Nice!
Let's open the one in the middle. Okay, let's see right here.
Got this.
You know what I'm thinking?
Ooh! Is it twinsies? It's twinsies.
You think so? There's twinsies!
Yay! Which one?
The skunk.
Yay,
This
guys!
one's lighter.
Okay, so what are we gonna do, Maya, when we have twinsies?
So we're gonna give them away.
Yeah, we're gonna be giving these away, okay?
Yes.
So every time we get twinsies, Maya's gonna do
Twinsies?
giveaways.
Yes.
Perfect. All right,
I
let's
can't
see.
believe it. That one is like darker. This one's lighter.
Yeah, those are cute.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe it. Wait. This one's densely blue. Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Oh, I'm so excited to open them. Wait.
Ooh. What do you think we get?
Same color? Oh my gosh. OMG. OMG. Oh my gosh. This is so cool that we got sent back. Can someone pass me some? Oh, never mind.
You got it. You got it.
This is a different one.
Ooh, is it different? That's a cute little bunny.
And it has a, wait.
Which one is it?
I thought that was a crown or something.
Oh, he's from the Starbeams. Nice.
Starbeams? Her has a crown.
Those
Guys,
are cute. Wow, Maya.
We're getting almost to the
All right,
end.
you know what to do. We're almost there.
Okay, let's open this
That one?
now.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay. Oh, this red again. I think this
I think
red
all the
again.
blue ones have red and all the yellow ones have what's it called? Blue little bags.
Yeah.
And the pink ones have yellow bags.
Yeah. I think so.
Ooh.
You guys. No way. This was full of water.
Really?
This is like a pig with like
Ooh.
with a shiny ear and it has water in it.
Let's see
You
that
guys,
one.
look, there's like little bubbles. You got to see on the bottom this water.
Well, that's so weird. Oh my goodness!
Look.
You got a rare one.
Look, if
He's
you
from the
push it up,
softies, Maya.
there's white.
Ooh, Maya. He's from the softies and he's rare.
Softies, and he's
Yeah.
rare.
Yes, Maya.
Oh my gosh, you guys,
Wow,
look,
they're
you can
so
make a
cute. I
bubble.
love the little watery ones. Those are so amazing. Wow. I love that one. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Here, give me the little checklist. Perfect.
Okay.
Let's see.
That one was real hard to open. New one, different one. A puppy.
That's so cute. Oh, does he have spots on the top?
Hold on. He only has 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then-
Yeah. So he has spots on the top.
Yeah.
All right, he's from the Softies collection too.
Softies collections.
Yeah.
Oh my
That
god.
is so awesome, Maya.
I can't believe we are doing this. Okay. Where's this one?
You know which ones I think we haven't gotten? The yellow ones.
Yeah. Oh, the little ones still have.
There's like 3 yellow ones here that I
Yeah.
can see.
Okay. Oh yeah. I opened one.
Ooh, let's
Open
see.
one piece.
Let's see. Wow. I hope you get a yellow one.
Okay. This is so purple.
Ooh.
They are one of the things that I'm thinking about.
Twinsies.
No.
No? No way. Who do we have? Can I see
This
it?
one's full of water.
Can I see? Show
Wait.
us. Show us the face.
Look, there's like little things in it. You guys can see there's little dark purple things.
Ooh. Which one is it, Maya?
There's like one of these things. You can see
Ooh.
the ears of the shapes.
See? Wow, this one's so cute. That's hard, huh? Okay.
Last
one.
Oh
Woo!
my gosh, oh my gosh. I hope I get it also rare.
I hope you get a yellow one. We don't have yellow ones.
Oh yeah.
Oh gosh.
Oh, there's
I
a
hope
little
you do.
bag.
Let's see. Oh, it's a blue one. Oh, a green one.
There's a little bag. Wait.
Guys, the fun thing about these is not knowing who you're getting.
This one's different.
Is it?
No.
No, you got twinsies.
No way.
You got a blue unicorn?
Yes!
Wait, oh my goodness! Yay!
Oh.
This is awesome!
Even that has wings.
That's so cute. I love it. I really love that
Oh
one.
my gosh.
Wow, guys. Guys, let us know which one's your favorite.
Guys, this is all my collection. And now I'm gonna try to get my
More.
collection.
Yeah, more for your collection.
Yes.
We're trying to get the whole collection, guys. So hopefully we can collect all of them.
I
'Cause we
just-
still, the ones we still the color I've seen that we don't have is the yellow ones. As you guys know, I've been telling Maya about it. But let's see what else comes next time when we open more. Right, Maya?
This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give big thumbs up if you like this video.
And remember to subscribe. And if you guys have anything to say about the Moj Moj, please let us know. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Bye.